Best Bikes Hurlingham here, 100% quick fix. Now today we talk about the smoothest and the best bikes in Nairobi, in Kenya, in East Africa that you can buy from a local dealer. So guys, let's talk about CF Moto. As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt from CF Moto. This came with a bike. Guys, if you can buy a bike, trust me, you'll get the same type of t-shirt branded the same way you want at Hurlingham Shopping Center. That is called Best Bikes. Now let's talk about more details about this bike. Why is it the best sport bike you can ever buy from a local dealer? This bike comes ABS fitted already. It comes with a 3mm disc in front, meaning your stopping power is quite good. It has an ABS braking system that you can't lock your brake even if the bike is a little bit heavier on the front wheel. It has a 17 rim tires, which is more. You can get these tires everywhere in the country. And the best thing with it, this bike doesn't cost very cheap. It's cost around 650,000 just because of this. Look guys, you have Bosch ECU in this bike. You have a Bosch art in this bike. You have a DID drive set, that is front sprocket and rear sprocket and the chain. DID is one of the best brands of a chain countrywide, and you get O-wing DID on this bike. You get CST tires on this bike, which apparently CST has proven themselves to be one of the best tires for motorcycles for a couple of years now. All those you get with the bike. You get a proper inverted gold shocks on it. You get a proper paint job on the bike. And again, this is no kind of color that you find in any other bike. Even if you check from any other big fours companies that we have out there, this is a high premium quality paint job and the looks on it. You can get these stickers from your local dealer, and trust you me guys, this is one of the best bike I've ever ridden so far. Another thing on this bike, it gives you the exact fuel amount that you can do. You get this service part here locally, because this bike is made to fit everywhere in the world where these bikes have been before. You get a TFT dashboard on this bike. You get all your information, your track records stored on your bike. You get your kilometers range on the bike. You get your fuel gauges showing on the bike, and this bike is one of the best bike I've ever ridden, trust me. Well, these doesn't have side mirrors, but you know how Mombasa Road has been for the last few months. It has been hectic. That's why I use it. Actually, I use the exact same bike on Mombasa Road, and it's one of the best bike I've ever used for the longest time. It comes with the NGK plugs fitted in. Those are most recommended for the bike. Guys, you have to check it out. There's something here. Total Petrol Station. We are looking for you guys to sponsor us on the next racing. This bike come actually sponsored from nowhere. I don't know exactly where. Total Petrol Station. So you guys, we're coming to check you out. We give you a proposal on how we can do racing. We do racing in this specific bike actually. Only that we do it racing on a naked bike instead of the one that is fairing. But anyway, who doesn't want a cute looking bike on track next time? Well, anything else that I can talk about? This bike has two kind of modes. It has economical mode and it has a sport mode. Sport mode feels like you have added a jet on it. The thing just wanna fly. But economical mode, you spend less amount of fuel moving around. And yeah, it has a 12-liter tank that you do around 250 kilometers with a full tank, and it still gives you around 40 kilometers of reserve of the bike. So guys, let's talk about the engine. Well, in this specific bike, you can get aftermarket of such things. That is, this is an engine slider that protects the engine just in case of an accident. It's a single cylinder engine, so meaning when you're doing your plug, you just do one plug. On the engine, actually, it has been indicated a couple of oil capacity that you're supposed to do when you're changing the oil filter, when you're changing the oil alone, when you're doing a complete overhead. So this bike is a stress-free bike, and Another thing maybe we can talk about is it has a monoshock. Most sport bike will do a monoshock so that you have a smoother running. Its ABS pump is fitted just beneath the monoshock, which is a very good allocation so that it doesn't get damaged with water or any other type of element that can get into that part. Well, the clutch is the same as just like any other bikes. The clutch lever, you can just adjust them from the sides, just like any other bike that you have been used out there before. And the sitting position is one of the most super comfortable, especially when you're doing track racing, when you're doing more of nyoka rides out there. And the grip on this bike is quite amazing. The bar heads themselves are quite positioned in such a way you have a proper standard sport bike feeling that you are leaned in front, at the same time super comfortable on how you're going to ride. Your key positioning that is positioned just right on the tank but not on your handlebars is also another added advantage of how good this bike has been engineered, with bar head side mirrors to relieve a lot of impact that's coming from your shocks. Well, that's basically it, guys, for this bike. If you go deeper into this bike, it's a EFI as usual. It's a liquid cool with a very good components like reservoirs, which are situated in a place that they can't break easily. Since the problem most of the bikes, when you drop, you damage stuff like radiator reserve tank, which in case of damage you can't be able to move. Well, this bike also, they also factored in how low it is. You can see from the ground, it's few meters from the ground, and that actually translate to what actually is on the belly of the bike. Right now we have a whole exhaust fitted from this point to this point. It's that short, no sound at all, it's quite smooth, and with that, in case you hit something on the ground, there's something else to bump you. So guys, I think we are basically done with our video today. Let's see how this bike, single cylinder bike sounds, and the stock exhaust, and see if the next video will have an aftermarket pipe, and see again how the bike will sound later. So let's hear this out. Super silent. Oh yeah, that's the sound of a single cylinder engine.